Hey, hello everyone. This is a demo. We're gonna show how to attack Kippo, the media interaction honeypot. This is a attacker that doesn't know that Kippo is a honeypot, so he will be trying to get breach that SSH service. So for this demo, we are using Kali Linux 2.0 to attack, and Kippo is already running here on Honey Drive, as you can see. We have our Kippo running here on that machine. This machine is located on this IP address, so let's go over to Kali and start the attack. So the attacker, the first step would be identify the SSH service. So let's run a nmap with a -s, capital S, and the host, just to check what we have on that machine. As we can see, we have a SSH port open here. This is the real SSH service, and Kippo is running on this port. Let's run the nmap with the service version so we can check it out. This is going to take some minutes. So as we can see, we have the result here. The nmap with the parameter -s capital V gets the version of the service. As we can see, we have an open SSH here on port 1234. So this is the Kippo Honeypot. Now we're gonna simulate brute force attack. We're gonna do a brute force attack on that SSH service. So step 2 here, we're gonna get the credentials to log on that service. We're gonna use Medusa to brute force that SSH. So let's do it. The first parameter is -h. We're gonna use the host, the machine. Second parameter is the user. We're gonna look for root access. Third parameter is the word list. And we're gonna use the RockU word list that comes with the Kali machine, the Kali Linux by default. Okay, and since our service is not on the default port 22 for SSH, we're gonna specify the port here using the parameter -n. So, and for the last, we're gonna use $M to define what service, what module and service we are attacking. So let's run. So the password, you just cracked it. The password is 123456. So let's go to the third step and SSH in on that machine using the command SSH. We're gonna specify the port 234 and the host. So when we SSH in, he asks for the password. We're just gonna put 123456, and here it is. As you can see, we are logged as root on this host name as VR03 server 3, and it looks like we are on a real machine. On the root directory, we can ls on the root directory, and we see that all the normal, looks like a normal Linux server. So let's run uname-a, so you can see it identifies itself as Linux. Let's run a wget command. So as you can see, it responds like a real service. We just downloaded index.html from google.com, and let's run apt-get to install GCC. So it looks like a real machine, as you can see. So it's already installed. Let's try to run GCC. So as you can see, for obvious security reason, GCC is not, you cannot execute GCC and compile any code at all. And even though if you try to exit this shell, it tricked you to saying that the connection to the server is closed, but you're still on the honeypot. It changes the banner here. It says your root at localhost, not the server tree. Trying to get more info about the attacker, trying to trick the attacker to input any more data and get that. So if you're still on the honeypot. And that's for now. Thank you.